welcome campers. Today we're going to be four-wheeling Four Peaks, the Rolls OHV area, and Butcher Jones. Stay tuned.
So while we're out here at Four Peaks, we're going to be doing a little bit of function testing on a friend's new rifle build. So if you want to watch that, that'd be great. If not, I will put a time up here on when to skip past that. I think it's warm quick. We got our range safety officer out here.
Watch out for slide bite.
It's finally good to get out here shooting. It's been, God, I want to say about a year. Yeah, about a year. So that was awesome. Able to test out some suppressors. My buddy's gun worked perfect. We were able to get a little bit of practice in, but now it's time to do some wheeling. We're gonna hit the rolls. check all that out, and then we're going to end up at Cove 1 of Butcher Jones, and then from there head down to Cove 2 and give you guys a view. We didn't bring Bean on the trip because it's getting a little warm out. We don't want him to get all dehydrated and overheated, and dog's hearing is way better than ours, and we don't have little doggy hearing protection, so we didn't really want to mess him up with all the shooting, so that's why he's not on this trip.
Good thing I caught that before it got...
So what was it to your fan controller?
Yeah, the fuse melted.
Oh man.
Probably those Taurus fans pulling too much power. The fuse is gone.
Oh my god, I've never seen that before.
There was once a fuse there. Okay.
Nice. So you
Check out this magical trick. I don't want that to touch that because that would be not good.
It can't be trail repairs.
Okay, so you just take these two, right? It really should be a little bit longer than this, but it'll be okay. And you fold it in like that. And if I had a couple more wraps on it, it'd be tighter, but you see how that's already, like, I'm actually pulling on it, and it doesn't really pull apart.
wrap that and watch real tape.
Yep, and there you go, and that's fixed now. It's probably gonna stay like that. I don't care. I mean, I should really probably put an actual fuse in there, but whatever.
Yeah, I learned something new.
It's a bunch of quads.
Oh yeah. Just like Soldiers Pass, or not Soldiers Pass, just like Broken Arrow when we were up in Sedona, they rent quads out in this area too, so it is crawling with people. It's insane. But yeah, that's some new I learned. I had no idea about the lineman's knot, but that's great. His fans are running good. We're back on the trail. Natalie's new catchphrase is,
"We can make it."
Buddy's having a little issues with his front hubs too. He thinks they haven't been serviced whatsoever. It's a 90, I think a 94 Ranger. This is kind of a true test of the suspension. You know, since a couple weeks ago we did replace the coil springs and the leaves. We haven't been able to test it yet until this trip, and honestly it's doing way better than our old setup. It's handling the bumps more. I mean, Natalie's going pretty quick over all this, and and it is slightly bumpy, but I think that's because we're on short arms compared to a long arm lift with this type of suspension. Bad news. The way our buddy's truck is with the 4-wheel drive being out, some of the ways to get to the cove, you need 4-wheel drive. So I would say we're not really going to go to the coves, but we are just going to do some more wheeling through here and check things out. We're just going to backtrack our way through the rolls to 4 Peaks and then call it a trip. Needed extra traction, so we had 3 of the guys jump in the bed for the steepest hill. And if it didn't make it up, we were going to have Blake's 4Runner tow him up while me and Natalie waited at the top with the winch.
We were close.
Hey there guys, it's post-production James. I forgot to film the rest of the trail. There wasn't too much left over, it's just maybe another mile of trail, and then it was the trailhead where we aired up and called it a day. It was awesome to get out there and wheel and finally shoot again and to shake down the suspension upgrades. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below, and stay tuned for our next adventure. Bye.